HRMO together with Ma'am Erna Macavita, and of course our supervising HR specialist from CSC Field Office Aklan, Sir Ferdinand M. Macoge. Again po, of course, together din po ng all officers and directors po of KAME, may I request po to please come up on stage to receive the CNA registration. Wow, good news for all the KAME members po. Meron na po tayong CNA registration. And of course, our Vice Mayor Dr. Cynthia C. De La Cruz again, Ma'am. And of course, Ma'am Giselle, please come up on stage. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone, fellow workers natin sa LGU Kalibo, kay Mayor Judy Sucro, good morning sir, Vice Mayor Cynthia De La Cruz, SB members, department heads, rank and file employees of LGU Kalibo. Iyan ko makaroon of course to saging hambakin to award ro rayang arang manaming kabalita sa LGU Kalibo ro registration itinyo Collective Negotiation Agreement or CNA, nga of course ging kabudlayan, ging suportahan, ging palibugan itinyo Kalibo Association of Municipal Employees Officers, and of course with the support and of the LGU Kalibo management. So PSU as well as CNA are both undertakings by the KAME and of course leadership at LGU. So yun man ninyo ron, tanan. So as I award this certificate, of course all of us are reminded, I think 2017 Sir Lee, KAME. So it's quite a time na nag-implement kita, dayang arang incentive. So I'm sure officers and employees of KAME are aware of the limitations of CNA, probably, definitely, kung ano source, fund sources, itin yung mga incentives nga ginabuo sa CNA. Kung hindi ako magsaya, allowable balances, itin yung MOOE, tama ba? So, kinangan, nga may mga specific expenses kamo nga gina-declare nga mga savings ninyo. So it's important nga may inyong cost cutting measures. Nga ruyon ay pag-agrihan ninyo nga mga empleyado, of course with your LGU Kalibo leadership and management. So I would like to congratulate the KAME officers for coming up with your best efforts to come up with this new CNA naging register sa Civil Service Commission. So allow me to read the text of the certificate. Republic of the Philippines, the Civil Service Commission, Certificate of Registration, Collective Negotiation Agreement, number 3326. Pursuant to Executive Order number 180, Series of 1987, and its implementing rules and regulations. The collective negotiation agreement between the Kalibo Association of Municipal Employees and the Municipal Government of Kalibo, Municipal Hall, Kalibo Aklan, having complied with the prescribed requirements, is hereby registered and is binding between the parties from 26th of November 2024 to 25th of November 2027. Signed, Attorney Marilyn Barua Yap, Chairperson of the Civil Service Commission, attested by Maria Teresa C. Fernandez, Director 4 of the CSC Human Resource Relations Office. Congratulations to one another.
Hello, good morning to all. Sir Ferdy Makugi, thank you very much sa Civil Service. No? Actually, this is the original certificate of registration of our CNA. But actually, we have already received the advanced copy. That's why we have received our CNA just in time, December 15. So nakabaton yung gamot inyong at 25,000 pesos. And because of this, no, I would like to extend our gratitude to our Mayor, Honorable Juris B. Sucro. Imaw ra permi akong ginakulit. Kung namat abi may atong istorya, ay wa man kita at CNA. Hambay na akong hindi pwede magsugot si Mayor nga uwa ron. Kaya ginakulit ka imaw. Sa mo anang sabat kakon, 10 billion % may una. So naghipos yung katulong issue pag hambay na akon. Because nga kung humambay ko ta si Mayor nga may una, sayod kugid ang may una. And of course, sa bulig man dun aton nga council headed by our Vice Mayor, Duke Cynthia de la Cruz Guapa, because just in time makinahangan mag-special session, hay nag-special session sanda bisan recess sanda because nga maka-grant sanda ka aton nga mga incentives ay need naton kararo resolution. And syempre aton nga local finance committee pag hinambay man akon karon si Sir Ray, especially Sir Ray, Dr. Villarreal is not here. Pag hinambay na nang huo may kwarta kita. And of course our budget officer, imo karagay inusoy ka aton nga mga savings. And you know what? Raaton nga nga savings, kara kita tanan may contribution. Because as explained kay ina ni Sir Makogi, raaton nga savings nga ginagrant katon sa CNA is under the MOEE. So under sa MOEE kara, una kara mga cost cutting. Does not mean nga magtipid kita kuryente, but it is not necessary. Kinahanglan kung last time sa General Assembly, our representative from PEPSEA, kung bukon man na frontliner services, ay kung pwede i-off man na natin no light between 12 to 1, imagine atong mga save. So next year, hopefully, aim kita nga ma-maximum aton nga CNA. That is 30,000. But this year, we only received 25,000 pesos. So aim kita, kada office kada hay bulig kada isa nga ma-aim naton do maximum amount of 30,000. Hopefully, basi mag-increase pa. So, I would also like to thanks because original karang nag-organize our HRMO Sir Leonard. Imawgid kararo nag-umpisa nga ma-organize raton nga association because without the association, we are not qualified of the CNA incentives. So, we are grateful because we are partners of our Human Resource Management Office. So ano man aton nga pwede ikabalik tanan atong incentives nga ginapangayo sa LGU Kalibo ginatao ginatinguhaan gid ka aton nga management. So ano atong pwede mabalik? Kung gapong ko ako promise sa PSB akon malang gina-remind, we have to abide all our existing policies and guidelines, especially anat civil service. Pero kung namat atong mga empleyado after kita kung ano pwede matao katon, pero in return kung uwa pa compensatory leave, what at naga-attend. So bukod at kinangan nga whether may compensatory or what or uwa, kinangan naton ay obligasyon naton doon. Agree ka mo? Especially aton nga mga special activities. Like aton nga first Friday nga Thanksgiving Mass. Sangkiri at akaton doon naga-attend. Abo katon iyang Roman Catholics. We are also respecting all other religion. But abo raton iyang Roman Catholics. Hopefully this February, our first Friday Mass, Thanksgiving Mass, and also before that ay may aton nga Thanks God, it's Friday. Kung pwedeng maka-attend kita, duin malang ra aton maging obligasyon, makapakita kitang gasuporta gid kita sa aton nga management. Because the association is not an opposition, but it's a partner in management. Thank you everyone and God bless us all.
Ayan, so thank you so much po